Hey guys, I wanted to show off this lock. It's an old 5-pin Segal I found on Marketplace a while back ago. And I'm not sure what year it is, but by looks of it, it's pretty darn old. The key seems to still be working smoothly. I haven't sprayed anything in there, cleaned it up. I haven't picked it yet, so we'll try and pick it open and gut it and see what's on the inside, see what it looks like. So I'm just using top of the keyway 50 thousandths of an inch, if I can get her set. Doing a medium tension. I'm not sure, again, because I haven't touched this lock on the inside. Not sure what it wants. So pin 5, there's a click. Nothing on 4. 3 kind of went up, but there was no click. Not sure if I overset 3. Nothing on 5. Nothing on 4. Nothing on 2. Alright, let's reset it. And I'm going to apply a little heavier tension this time. Nothing there. Nothing there. Not sure. Alright, so we got her open. So nothing special there as far as opening it. Let me zoom out here. Let's get a little bit closer look at this lock. It's pretty nice looking. It's a little beat up. So let's see what it's going to take to gut her. Looks like we got some flat blade screws here. I'm not even sure I have what it takes to gut this guy. We may not be able to gut it here. No, this looks like just a cap. No problem here. No problem. Let's get a shim in here. Alright. That's pin 2, pin 1, pin 3, pin 4, and pin 5. Let's clean these up a little bit. And let's get my tweezers here. Pin 2. Let's get these springs out of here. 5 and pin 4. Alright, so there she is. There's the empty cylinder. Here's the core. Just needs a little cleaning and she'll be as good as new. Again, nothing special with the pins, but just figure it's kind of neat looking lock. Probably has a lot of history behind it. So that's it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching, and until next time, we'll catch you later. Bye.